Have you ever wondered how products from a Chinese factory go to your business? Today I'm loading a full container of air fryers for one of my customers, and today I'll show you exactly how we load container, how we check the quality, and if you are thinking to buy products from China, this is what happens behind the scenes. Stay tuned. So first here I'm waiting for these goods to unload and let my driver to bring the container here and start loading the container. So I need to ask workers to help me load these goods as quickly as possible. My name is Sina. I'm a sourcing agent in China with over 10 years of experience, and I'm helping my customers to source products from China, find the best factories, negotiate the best deals, and also shipping my customers' goods to their desired destination. Before we load the container, quality control is key. We don't just trust the factory blindly, and I personally check the product before shipping. Look at this, strong packaging, well protected inside, and the factory followed all customer requirements from branding to plug types. And this is why working with a trusted sourcing agent is crucial. You don't want surprises when your shipment arrives. And now that we checked everything, it's time to load. The process is not just about putting boxes inside. We need to arrange them properly to maximize space, prevent damage, and balance the weight for safe transport. So just like that, the container is almost full. And one simple mistake here can damage the goods during the process of shipping. So that's why we use proper shipping techniques to load containers and also guarantee the goods arrive in your destination safely. And my job here is to make sure that my customers' shipments arrive safely and in a perfect condition. Guys, if you are a business owner or an importer from China and you search for someone reliable to help you source and import products from China, you can call us.
Yeah.